Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer your funds from your Inbox Pounds account to PayPal using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an account for Inbox Pounds and hit the threshold, redeem a gift card depending on the money you have into the account, as well as a PayPal account. So we will be transferring in this tutorial. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this way for that to load. Now let's go to our Inbox Pounds account and make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to rewards. Let's then go to PayPal. As you can see from the account, we have £15 to redeem. Let's click on this. Let's now click on redeem. Verify the account. This will then send us a code to the mobile number. That's fine. Let's do that now. I will have a text message received on my phone. Let's now verify this. Your account has been verified. Click on continue. And now, great choice. Let's verify your order. Please confirm your information is correct. That's correct. It is. We can now click on confirm. This should take us to PayPal. Thank you. Your order has been placed. £15 has been deducted from your account. We are currently now processing your order. You will be notified via email when your order is ready. I've now received an email within Outlook. If I were to, let's just say now go to Outlook, and here we have that email in the inbox to confirm that your PayPal money from Inbox Pounds is now being processed. It usually takes about 2 to 3 days for processing. We will send you an additional email when the £15 is ready to receive payment on your account. That should be active on processing date. Stay active by logging into the account, confirming the PayPals, or participating in on-site activities. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.